Fully automated robotic production cells are essential for value-oriented manufacturing in the Industry 4.0 era. Yoji Machine Industrial is the premier choice when it comes to smart, high-volume manufacturing solutions for the automotive industry. This mega production line manufactures 360 truck wheel hubs every hour, 27 machines, 9 robotic arms, and one objective: increasing your productivity. Each of the 9 work cells integrates a vertical machining center and 2 high-speed multitasking lathes. The whole production line can be easily controlled and monitored from the Smart Control Center. Once programmed, Yoji's software automatically ensures the most efficient production cycle for 24/7 operations. Yoji's smart production lines deliver quality results and production outputs that are simply impossible with traditional non-automated machining processes. In addition, these automated work cells eliminate complex tasks for operators and create a safer work environment. Thanks to 40 years of experience and a complete range of machine tools, Yoji Machinery can deliver the smartest, most advanced automation solutions. Let them optimize your manufacturing processes to boost your yield and machining quality.